Well, hello. Welcome to Omar's Garage. Today we're going to be resetting the oil light indicator on a 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee. All right, so I'm actually in my garage here at home, but the video that I'm about to show you was shot in El Salvador in my sister-in-law's 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now, I drove the car around while I was down there, and the oil light indicator was on, but she told me that she had just recently had it done, but I guess the people that did the oil change never reset the oil light indicator. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. All right, so I'm here in a 2012 Grand Cherokee. It's my sister-in-law's car here in El Salvador. So we're gonna turn this on and you're gonna get usually you get a message. It's all in Spanish. So there you go. Oil change is expired. Just cambio aceite vencido. She's got everything in Spanish. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna reset that. So turn this off. Turn it back on. And we're gonna pump the gas 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And it says 0 messages. So that was reset, and that's all it takes in order to get rid of that message. All right, that was quick and simple. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this helped you out. If it did, you liked the video, these things have been helpful for you, go ahead and leave a like, leave a comment, and make sure you subscribe. And if you want to leave a tip, YouTube now has a tip option, and obviously anything would be appreciated. But y'all take care and stay safe.